99% of the time, you're only going to use the first one. The second one's available to you in case you need to do the reverse conversion, which in this case I don't. And then once you have this class written, what happens is the value that you're binding to, so in this case, the isChecked property of the check element is what gets thrown into the value converter. And in this case, that is going to be a true or a false. And that gets thrown into the value converter. And all you got to do is pull that value out and test on what it is in order to return something different. So all this class is doing, and unfortunately I don't have the code for this class because this is such a common thing to do that Microsoft provided this one out of the box for us. So this Boolean divisibility converter is actually included in the system Windows controls namespace for us already. So everybody has access to it. That's why you see it has no namespace on it. All this one is doing is that it's checking if that value equals true, do a return visibility.visible. If it's false, return visibility.collapsed. That's all that is doing. And that is why I am able to bind it to a visibility property, and the true and false will get routed and converted to the equivalent visibility enum value. Simple enough? All right, now, since I don't have the code for that one, I wrote a value converter of my own to demonstrate exactly how this works. So let me show you. Let me run it first. Now here I have a little form with a text box in it and a button, but you see the button state right now. The enabling state is disabled. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type. Now as soon as I reach 7 characters, oh, actually, 7 characters, the button enables. If I back up, the button disables.